Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my menu today. This is the chicken with onion. Marinate first the chicken before to fried, and then after you fried, finish the chicken, and then you can cook the onion, and after that